Hey everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back today with another DIY for you guys. Now let me show you this, what my DIY is going to be about. It's this picture right here. This is my inspiration. I got this pic from a lady I follow on Instagram. Her name is My Style. Here's Grace. Yeah, she puts up lots of nice postings with little decor ideas throughout her home, and she brings us shopping along with her sometimes. Yeah, so I got my inspiration from her. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, I got this tall candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I have a round mirror from the Dollar Tree. We have our candle card holders from the Dollar Tree. And we have some silver metallic spray paint from Walmart. I got this round foam ball. And I have our flower bling wrap we get from Amazon. And I have these little blocks that I got from the Dollar Tree. We have our E6000 and our scissors and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright, we're going to start with our foam ball and our pieces from the card holder here that we had already separated. And we're just going to use the glue gun and glue them onto the foam ball. When I had you, I was okay. Even though when we go out, girl, I would wait for you like all day. Alright everyone, as you can see, it's not sticking very well, so I'm just going to cut off the little tabs that are sticking out of the rings. Just clip them off, they come off very easy. Then we're just going to place the glue gun onto the circle again, and then place them onto our ball. And this time they stick very easy now. So this is how we're going to be doing them. So it's much better than the first time we did it. Now I'm placing the glue directly onto the foam ball and then placing the rings on top. I found it much easier and faster doing it this way. Next, I'll be taking our square blocks and gluing them all around our design. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. When I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah. Place the blocks everywhere. I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it with our silver metallic spray paint. Now that we've spray painted it, I'm going to take our flower bling wrap that I cut into pieces and placing them in between all of the circles. Just for your attention, I work hard for it. And now I'm going to add some gemstones that I got from Dollar Tree and add them to our design. On top of all the square pieces, I'll be adding these nice gemstones. Okay, now I've decided to add some Mod Podge and some glitter to our design, you guys. Because after I spray painted it, metallic silver, it's not that bright to me and shiny. So I'm just going to add some glitter going all around to give it that extra shine. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. When I had you, I would say okay. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think it looks very nice. I'm so sorry, but I thought I was recording when I was adding the ball to the tall candle holder. I just used some E6000 and added the ball to the candle holder. But first, I added some of our gemstones within there, which I'll give you a closer look just now. But I added some gemstones into it also. and I think it looks very nice. I like how it turned out. And as you can see, here's the gemstones within the candle holder at the bottom, which I think it looks super cute. All the money that came and changed it all up, but now. And adding the glitter, I think, makes it a little bit more shiny, because the metallic spray paint didn't come out all too much metallic on this project. I don't know why, but it didn't. But I like how it turned out anyways, with the added shine from the glitter. I think it looks very nice. Just a, quick and easy little DIY home decor for your home. And I liked how it turned out. And this is where I placed it, you guys, on my coffee table, which it can be placed anywhere within your home, but I think it looks super cute and nice. And this is my inspiration, like I told you, from the picture that I saw, and I really like how it turned out. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you. Once again, a little home DIY for you guys to do. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today. And don't forget, like I always say, to like, leave me a comment. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye. I just need you back. Apartment 46, yeah. Just for your attention, I work hard for it.